What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. And today's a very special day because we're here with some of our friends from Colombia. Well, one of our friends from Colombia. The other one, it's a friend from Switzerland and they live in Geneva, but they brought us over to, what's it called again?
Lavaux.
They brought us over to Lavaux, which is a UNESCO Heritage Site here in Switzerland, and it's just beautiful. It's right next to the Geneva lake, which happens to be the largest lake in Europe. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. In this part of Switzerland, they speak French. We're very close to France. As a matter of fact, the mountains across the lake, it's France. So those right there. And yeah, it's awesome. So, and it's just crazy to think that 24 hours ago we were in Palma de Mallorca, in an island in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. Now we're in the mountains in Switzerland. Pretty cool. Sorry guys, so we had lunch earlier today. Honestly, I didn't film us eating fondue just because it was a very I guess tiny place and I didn't want to make the other customers feel uncomfortable. I do have to say that the helicopter, I do have to say that the fondue was incredible. It was super delicious. Now we came here to a chocolate factory. It's the Cailler Chocolate Factory. The cool thing about this chocolate factory or this chocolate brand is that they actually decided to stay in Switzerland and not expand to other countries. It's up here, and from here you can actually like smell the chocolate, which is delicious. It's insane. I love it. As I mentioned, Kaye is a Swiss chocolate brand and production factory. It was founded by François-Aloys Kaye in 1819 and remained independent until the early 20th century, when it was associated with other producers. The drive from Geneva to the chocolate factory is about an hour and 30 minutes. The factory offers guided tours, and the tour has a cost of approximately 14 Swiss francs, which is about $15 US. And then obviously once you finish the tour, you exit out through, I guess, this gift shop where you can purchase shirts, I guess hats or bags, obviously chocolate, the chocolate smell throughout the tour. It's just there, constant, and it's just, it just makes you want to crave and makes you want to eat more and more and more and more chocolate. By the way, before I forget, Kaye was the first one to come up with the chocolate tablet, or he actually invented it, the chocolate tablet, which is, it's nuts. And again, it's just delicious. Welcome to the region of Gruyere, and yes, this is where the world famous cheese comes from. And up here, just up the hill, there's a medieval town that we're about to make our way up, and apparently there's a cheese festivity going on in the town, so we're gonna check that out too. And the town was built or created, or it's been there since the 12th century or so. So it should be pretty interesting. It does look very photogenic, and it's got this little, I don't know how to say it, but like this mystical charm to it. It's obviously, it looks like a castle. It's got this fortress shape. Pretty interesting. And obviously I've seen some of the locals dressed up in like this soldier customs. As a matter of fact, you can just right there. Well, hopefully you guys can hear me well, but right now they're just riding the horses and they're like dressed up in this, I guess, traditional clothing. I don't know, looks pretty interesting, pretty dope. Not gonna lie, it is getting a little bit chilly, but again, the views are insane. Oh, and by the way, this medieval town that I don't know the name, but it's again in the region of Gruyere. It's like a 10-minute drive from the Cailler Chocolate Factory, which we were just there. So, pretty nice. We made it to the top of the mountain where the little medieval town is located. It's beautiful, like I said. I think it's very like picture ready, picture perfect, very Instagrammable, however you say that stupid word. It's awesome. It's just beautiful. I mean, I don't really have any other words to describe the town. Now, in terms of the quote-unquote cheese festivities that we were told about when we were parking, I guess they're over. So I don't see any. I don't really see anything unless they're setting up right now. But I doubt it. Unfortunately, I ran out of battery, but the cheese festivities were over. It was about 5 or 6 p.m. so we decided to head back home and call it a day. With that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos from Switzerland, hit the like button and share the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.